honest, like I'm very consistent. I hold my friends and my foes accountable. I think that sometimes our friends need to hear it equally as much as our foes need to hear it a lot of times in reference to why we are doing what we're doing. So I say that the mission doesn't change, whoever's in office. The assignment doesn't change, whoever's in office, because you all are in these spaces. You see how hard we have to fight, whether we know where a lot of times Republicans want to be, but like sometimes when these purple districts and in these conversations, and we talked about the lived experience, Madam Executive Director, like I got a different lived experience than a number of my colleagues. So when we're talking about the 47 in the Senate, when we talk about the 141 in the House, it's incumbent upon us to continuously apply pressure because that's the only way we're going to get that done. And I always like to do that with my thought partner right there in the House.